How do you get an electrical equipment calibration certificate? Imagine you have a piece of electrical test equipment that needs to be super accurate for your work. You might wonder, how do you prove it's been checked and is reliable? That's where a calibration certificate comes in. Getting one involves a few clear steps that ensure your equipment meets strict standards. First, you need to find a calibration laboratory that is accredited. Look for labs certified to standards like ISO AC 17025. Accreditation means the lab follows strict rules, uses traceable reference standards, and has reliable calibration procedures. Once you choose the right lab, you send your equipment, often called the unit under test, or U, to them. The lab then tests your device against precise reference standards that are traceable to national or international standards, such as those from the National Institute of Standards and Technology. During the calibration process, the lab applies known input signals across the equipment's range. They compare the device's output to the reference standards. If there are discrepancies, they may adjust the equipment or note the deviations. After the testing, the lab issues a calibration certificate. This document confirms your equipment has been tested and calibrated. It includes important details like the equipment's manufacturer, model, serial number, and the date of calibration. The certificate also states the calibration procedure used, the results showing the device's condition before and after calibration, and the measurement uncertainty. It will mention the environmental conditions during calibration and traceability to recognize standards. The certificate is signed by an authorized technician and has a unique number for record keeping. Once you receive the certificate, it acts as proof your equipment is accurate and reliable. You can use it to meet regulatory requirements, ensure safety, and maintain quality control. Remember, calibration certificates usually specify how often you should recalibrate the equipment to keep it in top shape. In electrical engineering, having a valid calibration certificate is essential. It guarantees your measurements are precise, which is vital for designing, testing, and maintaining electrical systems. To sum up, obtaining a calibration certificate means choosing an accredited lab, sending your equipment for testing, and receiving a detailed document that confirms your device's accuracy and traceability to recognized standards. This process helps keep your electrical measurements trustworthy and compliant.